Hello friends, welcome to MVC Tech. So today I will show you one software which is a productivity tool of the Visual Studio, the C Sharp developers, even web developer or Windows WPF developers. So there is some new features which I have already used. It is a totally productivity based, it will be uh, uh, reduce your programming uh, time. If you take a 10 hour for some task, then you will take just in minutes generate your code. Okay, so our first tool is the jQuery data table builder. So there just you have to enter your table name, there enter comma selected all field which you want to use, like id, name, address, mobile. Okay, just generated. Okay, so this is our the HTML and JavaScript. The all HTML is ready to use. This is used for how much records you have to search from. Okay, so this is your JavaScript code. Basically this will hit to your the user controller and get grid method. Okay, so everything is ready. Okay, the in C sharp the class is created. Okay, you need to use your so the our the get grid method is generated automatically. All searching features are ready to use. So if you have to, as you know, if you have to uh, manually type this all code, how much you have to take time, or even you have to use your mind for making the all algorithm. Okay, so simply you copy and paste in your application. Okay, so our next one is generate the repository pattern. Okay, so first you need to connect, enter your the SQL server connection string. This is your database name, which database you need to create the repository. So there just enter your project name, like repository is created. So this is a base repository. The base repository insert of it, the all features are there. Okay, just wait. So the all base repository functions are created as per your project uh, namespace. So your db context file, this is your all tables, the dependency injections, just copy and paste, use all. This is your all services, you can say, or even you can say your repositories. This is your interface, this is your class of the company table. Okay, so like that you may generate your repository pattern. Now the next one is generate your WPF application. If you want, like name, this is your, this will create your all tables CRUD of searching feature and the next previous list by. So your all method are ready to use as per your namespace. Okay, so you may just simply copy and paste your application and your CRUD is ready to use. Okay, the our next one is the main generate Lambda query. As you know, in these days, the all developers are use the entity framework Lambda queries. So when we type manually the Lambda queries, it will take time. Even if we have to enter select star from some tables, so when coming when in future we have like the in our website come some any users. Okay, so the select star from is a not a better I think for a performance based. So just you have to use this application for generate your Lambda queries. Okay, just enter your query, select your database on which project you have to work, just load it. Okay, so the all tables are loaded with his fields. Like if we want to create query of generate query of company table like name, so date. Okay, this will generated automatically. Okay, if you want anonymous type, just name equal to name, short name equal to short name, like that. Okay, if you want to generate with class, the class is automatically generated and your class assign and your query is automatically generated. If you have to manually type this whole query, as you know how much time it will take if the class have the more than 100 fields. So do you have just select that particular field which you have actually need. Okay, like that any table you may generate this. You have to use automapper, even you may generate your query with automapper. This is configuration and just class and simply assignment, get your the automapper query. Okay, if you have a join in some tables, so basically this is all table which is already connected in with each other like company, because these all tables are connected with each other. So simply if we want to join queries, simply click here and just select title, this one, this. Okay, your join query is generated. Okay, even just only selected only those fields which we have actually need. Okay, so we can, if we have, as you know, if we have manually type this query, how much it will take a time. Just if there is some error, you have just remove that particular thing. Okay, your query is ready to use. So join with class, this is now pending. In future we will cover up the, in future even we will make a more productivity tool for you. Even as I told you, I am also .NET developer and also I am use my this application because I don't want mean I have make a one the generic thing. Okay, and I'm not type a code again and again, just one time make a code and just reduce my time. Okay, so as you know, save timing is in our life is much necessary. So if you really like my application, you may just ping me, drop email. I will give you email in my description box. Okay, just drop me email. I will send you this software. Okay, this will be a paid something, paid. Okay, so if you want to really interested, if you want to use, I will send you the software. Even I have one the CRUD application of MVC application, the PHP coordinator application, and PHP simple PHP application. Just you have to make a database and get your own project code. Okay, so if you want to use that, even you may ping me. Okay, so thanks for watching the video.